Good morning, everybody. Welcome my YouTube channel, Manoj Easy Point Learn. Good morning, all of you. Myself, Manoj Kumar Vera. Today, I will explain. Today, I will discuss 5 international organization where the headquarter. Its the main objective of, its the main purpose of, its the main aim of international organization. Let's start the topic. First, we see ILO. First, we see number one, ILO. Second, FAO, third, IMF, fourth, UNESCO, fifth, UNICEF. First I see ILO. ILO means International Labour Organization name. First, serial number one, International Organization established year, okay. Then headquarter, HQ means headquarter, view. Then view. One serial name, ILO. ILO means International Labour Organization. ILO, International Labour Organization. International Labour Organization, which year established? 1990 established of International Labour Organization. Where the headquarters of International Labour Organization? Geneva. Geneva is the headquarters of International Labour Organization. What is the main purpose of? What is the main question arising that situation? What is the main purpose of International Labour Organization? Main view of International Labour Organization. The main view of International Labour Organization. The main view of International Labour Organization to improve living condition. Of all workers. Okay. The main view of International Labour Organization to improve living condition of all workers in the level of world. Then second serial, FAO. FAO means FAO, which year established? 1945. 1945 is the established year of FAO. Where the headquarters of FAO, the headquarters of Rome. Rome is the headquarters of Food Agriculture Organization. Rome is the headquarters of Food Agriculture Organization. The main purpose of FAO, the main purpose of FAO to improve living standard. The main purpose of FAO to improve living standard of rural population. To improve living standard of rural population. FAO means FAO means Food Agriculture Organization. Okay. 1945 established here. Rome is the headquarters of FAO. The main purpose of FAO to improve living standard of rural population. Thirdly, I see IMF. IMF means International Monetary Fund. IMF means International Monetary Fund. IMF, International Monetary Fund. Okay. Which year established of IMF? 1945. 1945 established the year of the International Monetary Fund. Where the headquarters? Washington DC. Washington DC, America. Washington DC, America is the headquarters of IMF. The main objective of IMF to promote international monetary cooperation. Okay. The main view of IMF. Okay. Then fourth serial number, UNESCO. UNESCO means United Nations Educational, Scientific, Cultural and Organization. United Nations Educational, Scientific, Cultural Organization. Okay. United Nations Educational, Scientific, Cultural Organization. The full form of UNESCO. Which year established the UNESCO? 1946. 1946 is the establishment of UNESCO. Where the headquarters of UNESCO? Paris. Paris is the headquarters of UNESCO. The main view of UNESCO to promote collaboration among nations through education, science and culture. Education, science and culture. The lastly international organization I see serial number 5. The last international organization I explain, UNICEF. United Nations International Emergency Children Fund is the full form of UNICEF. Serial number 5. UNICEF. United Nations International Children Emergency Fund is the full form of UNICEF. Established year, which year established of UNICEF? 1946 is the established day of UNICEF. Where the headquarters of New York is a place, is the headquarters of UNICEF. The main purpose of, the main view of, the main objective of UNICEF, the main view of UNICEF to improve to improve to improve children welfare of all over world. Thank you so much. If you like my lecture, please like, comment and share. Thank you so much all viewers.